Bonjour à tous and welcome back to Frenchified with the French Dude. Unlocking fluency with Coach Sam. Today, I will show you how to conjugate regular IR verb in the present tense. Last week, we conjugated regular ER verb. This lesson will feel very familiar because regular IR verb also follow a simple pattern. Let's get started. Step 1. What is regular IR verb in French? A regular IR verb is a verb that follows the same conjugation pattern. Now, here are some common examples. We have finir, finir, which means to finish. Choisir, choisir, to choose. Réussir, réussir, to succeed. Grandir, grandir, to grow. We have réfléchir, réfléchir, which is to think. Now, not every verb ending in IR is regular. Verbs like partir, sortir, and dormir are irregular. So don't use today's pattern with them. Now, step 2. Let's find the stem. Let's use the verb finir. Now, all we're going to do is to remove the IR ending. Now, for instance, we have finir. Once you remove IR, we have fin. Now, the part that remains is called the stem. We will add the endings. Now, that's step 3. Add the regular endings. And what are our endings? The endings for je, we add is. For tu, we add is. For il, elle, we add it. For nous, we add iss, ons. For vous, we add iss, ez. And for il, elle, we add iss, ent. Now, let's conjugate the verb finir together. First, we take off the IR, and what we have is fin, which is our stem. Now, so it gives us je finis, tu finis, il finit, elle finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent, elles finissent. Now, let's try another verb. Let's use the verb choisir. You know our stem already. First, we remove the IR, and the stem is choix. Now, let's add the endings. Same ending, that's the is, it, iss, ons, iss, ez, iss, ent, and it gives us je choisis, tu choisis, il choisit, elle choisit, nous choisissons, vous choisissez, ils choisissent, elles choisissent. Now, notice that the endings never change, only the stem changes. Now, easy memory trick. Remember this pattern. For the singular, we use is, it. And for the plural, we use iss, ons, iss, ez, and iss, ent. If you remember this 6 ending, you can conjugate 100 of regular IR verbs. Now, practice time. How would you conjugate Grandir? All right, let me wait for you to do it. Or you can press pause and try to conjugate it. All right, so here's how we conjugate it. We say je grandis, tu grandis, il grandit, elle grandit, nous grandissons, vous grandissez, ils grandissent, elles grandissent. So if you say that, ça c'est parfait, excellent. All right. Now, here's the final tips. Before using this pattern, always check the new form. Now, to know if the verb is a regular or an irregular verb. Now, if the new form end in ISS-ONS, it's usually a regular IR verb. For example, you can see it in nous finissons, vous, nous choisissons, nous réussissons. But then, once you see something like nous partons, nous sortons, know that that is not a regular IR verb. These are the different verb group. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and on our next class, we will learn how to conjugate regular RE verb. À bientôt et bon courage dans votre apprentissage du français. Au revoir.